Family law is something common that affects many people. I'm sure most of you know someone whose family has gone through a divorce, or you and your own family have experienced it firsthand. It can be an extremely stressful and emotional process, and it's always to make sure that the outcome will affect the child in the least stressful way possible. With cases like this, a child advocacy lawyer is appointed. Many people don't really understand what this means. But since children are minors, technically, they don't get to make their own decision in the outcome of the case. Because of this, most states have a program in place. They question, what is best for this child? Through this, they appoint the child an advocate who is appointed by DCFS, and in most cases, the parents are represented by their own lawyers. This way, the interests of all parties involved are considered. The advocate is someone the child can talk to that they know is on their side and they know is going to listen. The advocate is to assure that the well-being of a child is not jeopardized by the courts or the guardians in question, because often in the enforcement of parental rights or state regulations, the child's best interest is forgotten. However, with cases that involve family, it normally comes along with stereotypes. Typically, it's believed that the female parent receives custody or most rights in these types of cases. However, like you witnessed today, the best interest of the child was to be put in their father's care. Another stereotype is that the more money you have, the more likely you are to win the case. However, this is also untrue. The only time money really comes into play is whoever has the more money is able to hire a more expensive attorney. These cases can be long and stressful, and as an attorney, it's important to always keep the child's best interest in mind.